Shepherd Station, a Canadian Pacific Main Line depot, served farms and ranches southeast of Calgary. It was built in 1910 and named after railway contractor D.C. Shepherd, whose firm built 675-mile prairie section of the Canadian Pacific Railway.
It was such an enjoyable train ride experience with our family and friends. This 1800 steam engine train is still perfectly working and efficient.
While having some fun ride with this 1800 steam engine train, our online business is working for us 24/7. To have a free access to our website, please fill in your name and email address to www.royden5.com. Thank you.